YouTube, what's going on? What's going on? So, so in today's video, I'd like to talk to you guys about what's about to happen next in the stock market, or what potentially could happen, right? Um, Based on my chart, yeah, I do use a couple of different indicators. So currently, a lot of stocks are on support. Like almost all of them are on support. Um, do you see this little bluish line right here? This blue line. So this right here is a very good bounce area. What do I mean by that? Meaning that whenever a stock comes down to here, it tends to bounce and continue up. Just to go over the pass, yeah, sometimes we could break and touch, but you have two lines of support for ES right now. One, two, not to mention three. So we're not just gonna just fall just straight down like that. We're gonna have a couple bounces. So just to give you a quick overview, this blue line you see is a very good bounce zone, bounce zone, bounce zone, bounce zone. Whenever the stock is above it, bounce zone or bounce zone. It always bounce off this right here. Almost always. It's a very good strategy to be able to know, hey, should I get out the stock or should I look for a bounce here? And it happens in every stock. I'm gonna show you right now. So this is ES, right? NQ broke it, but guess what? Right on support. So NQ is also on support. NQ on support. You see, look, it bounces every single time. Bounce, bounce. So as you can clearly see, it's a very good support zone. So currently we're NQ is on support as well. SPY, where is SPY at? SPY doesn't have to be in a bounce zone specifically, only because ES, SPY follows ES. So if ES is on support, SPY is going to follow. So it doesn't really matter if SPY is on support or not. It's going to hurt, but at the same time, ES still, it follows ES. Google, I actually bought a call option on Google. I bought it somewhere right here, um, on the 4 hour time frame. So I bought it somewhere right here, expecting a bounce. So far, not looking like it's gonna bounce, but let's see what happens in the morning. Do have a second support right here. So if we bounce down in the pre-market and then shoot up after that, would be great. But currently, I still have faith that it will bounce right here. Meta, Meta break its support one on support two. Let's see if support two holds up. Apple, Apple's not on support yet. So I have to wait and see. Microsoft, Microsoft has broken first support on second support layer. Tesla, I actually was gonna buy a call option on Tesla right here, but I didn't. Tesla is also on support. Nvidia, Nvidia is also on support. One of its major support. If we lose this support right here, then we could go down pretty far, down to the 200. This is the 200 EMAs. So basically, each one of these lines are the two EMAs, different EMAs. Um, as you can clearly see for Nvidia, Nvidia came down, bounce. It broke through, then did a reversal. Came down to here, bounce, bounce, bounce. It likes to bounce off this EMA right here. AMD, AMD also on first layer support currently. Amazon is also on support as well. And not to mention QQQ, because QQQ is also on support. So all stocks are on their support. Is it going to hold? You never know. But what I do know is all stocks are on support currently. So tomorrow is going to be a very big day, because it's either we're going to drop down or we're going to bounce tomorrow and continue the trend. This other indicator that you see in the background is the two different indicators. It's also a very good. It's very good to show me what trend we are in, and it's very, very, very good. It will, this entire trend you see, this indicator never once pointed down, not once. I'll give you a quick view of it real fast to show you. So once the trend flipped, it never switched back down. It may shrink here and there, but it never flipped. I'll do a quick test right now. Then go and see. The stock's going up, 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 up. So with just this indicator alone, you could see that it will adjust the zones, but it will not give you a lot of fake signal because the stock is falling a little bit. It will keep this. It says, hey, we're still in an uptrend. Trust me and believe, we are still in an uptrend. So until this other indicator flips down, I believe we are in a uptrend. And that being said, see you guys in my next one.